What's up everyone? Welcome back to Get It, where we break down money, banking, and financial rules in a way that actually makes sense. Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever wondered who protects your money once it enters the banking system? Who decides what banks can and can't do? And why there are so many rules around loans, debit cards, and mortgages? Today, we're breaking it all down. This is Bank Regulations Explained, and by the end of this video, you'll understand how banking laws work behind the scenes to protect you, your family, and your financial future. Let's get into it. Money control isn't about being rich. It's about being informed. When you understand how banks operate, how credit works, and what protections exist for consumers, you gain power. Financial literacy helps you avoid scams, make smarter decisions, and confidently navigate the financial system. That's why learning banking regulations matters, because these rules directly impact your everyday life, from your debit card to your mortgage. Knowledge equals control. Here at Get It, our goal is simple. We help everyday people understand complex financial topics in plain language. No confusing jargon, no boring lectures, just real-world explanations that help you protect your money and build wealth. Whether you're new to banking or already working in finance, today's lesson gives you a solid foundation on how regulations shape the system. Let's talk about credit. Imagine applying for a loan and getting denied, with no explanation. Frustrating, right? That's exactly why Regulation B, also known as the Equal Credit Opportunity Act, exists. Regulation B makes it illegal for lenders to discriminate based on race, gender, age, religion, marital status, or where your income comes from. If your credit application is denied, lenders must provide a clear reason. You also have the right to request your credit information and correct errors. Bottom line, Regulation B ensures fairness and transparency in lending. This slide represents something powerful: equality in lending. Fair lending laws require banks to treat all borrowers consistently. You can't be charged higher rates or denied opportunities just because of who you are. Banks must document their decisions, follow underwriting guidelines, and demonstrate compliance during audits and regulatory exams. This protects consumers and holds financial institutions accountable. Buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. That's why mortgage regulations exist. Lenders are required to clearly explain your interest rate, monthly payment, closing costs, loan terms, risks involved. You must receive disclosures before signing anything. No hidden surprises. These rules ensure you understand what you're committing to before stepping into homeownership. Debit card fraud is one of the fastest-growing financial crimes. That's why banks follow strict regulations for fraud protection. If unauthorized transactions occur, federal rules limit how much money you're responsible for, especially if you report fraud quickly. Banks also monitor suspicious activity, provide alerts, and investigate disputes. Your job? Review your transactions and report anything unusual immediately. Fast action equals stronger protection. Every time you tap your card, send money online, or make a digital payment, security systems are working in the background. Encryption, fraud detection software, identity verification, and transaction monitoring all exist because regulations require financial institutions to safeguard electronic payments. These protections help prevent hackers, identity theft, and unauthorized transfers. Digital banking only works when security comes first. Now let's step into bank operations. Several regulations guide how banks manage deposits, reserves, and interbank transactions. These rules help ensure banks remain liquid, customer deposits stay protected, financial institutions operate safely. This structure prevents instability and reduces the risk of widespread financial collapse. In simple terms, these regulations keep the banking system strong. Behind every transaction is advanced technology. Banks use secure servers, vaults, internal controls, and compliance systems to protect funds. Regulators regularly examine institutions to confirm they're following the rules. This behind-the-scenes oversight ensures that when you deposit money, it's handled responsibly. It's not just computers and vaults, it's layers of compliance. Mortgage professionals must meet licensing requirements under the SAFE Act. This law ensures loan officers pass background checks, complete training, stay educated on regulations, act ethically. The goal is simple: protect families from predatory lending and unqualified lenders. When you work with a licensed mortgage professional, you're dealing with someone held to federal standards. This is where everything comes together. Consumer protection laws guard against fraud, unfair practices, hidden fees, deceptive advertising. Banks must provide disclosures, investigate disputes, and resolve complaints. These regulations exist so everyday people don't get taken advantage of. Your rights matter. Imagine banking without rules, no protections, no fairness, no accountability. That's chaos. Regulations bring order. They create trust in the financial system and allow people to confidently save, borrow, and invest. Without regulations, financial institutions could operate however they wanted, and history shows us how dangerous that can be. Rules create stability. Let's recap. Banking regulations protect consumers. Fair lending ensures equal access to credit. Fraud laws safeguard your money. Mortgage rules promote transparency. Digital payment regulations secure transactions. Licensing requirements maintain professionalism. Every regulation exists for a reason, and every one impacts your financial life. If you made it this far, congratulations. You now understand how banking regulations shape the system and protect your money. Financial literacy is a journey, and every lesson puts you one step ahead. Thank you for watching Jay Get It. If this video helped you understand banking a little better, make sure to like, subscribe, share with someone who needs this info. Drop your questions in the comments. I read every single one. And remember, don't let money control you. Learn the rules and Jay Get It.